They're tiny, bitter, and often overlooked, but inside these golden seeds lies one of nature's most powerful remedies. Today, we're talking about fenugreek seeds, the ancient spice that's been quietly transforming health for over 3,000 years. From balancing blood sugar to boosting digestion and even supporting hormonal health, fenugreek might just be the little-known superfood your body needs. But, are the benefits real? What does the science actually say? And what's the best way to use them safely? Let's break it all down. The truth, the myths, and how to unlock the full power of fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds come from the Trigonella fuinum graecum plant, a small clover-like herb that's native to the Mediterranean, India, and parts of the Middle East. The seeds are hard, golden brown, and packed with nutrients, especially fiber, protein, iron, magnesium, and a unique compound called diosgenin, which acts like a natural plant estrogen. Used for thousands of years in Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and even ancient Egyptian rituals, fenugreek was once prized for healing wounds, enhancing digestion, and boosting energy. But modern research now suggests its benefits go far beyond traditional use. Let's start with one of the most scientifically supported benefits: blood sugar regulation. Fenugreek seeds contain soluble fiber and compounds that slow down carbohydrate absorption, helping to prevent sharp spikes in blood sugar after meals. Several studies have shown that consuming fenugreek, either as a tea, soaked seed, or powder, can help reduce fasting blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity, especially in people with type 2 diabetes. If you're managing blood sugar or insulin resistance, adding a teaspoon of soaked fenugreek to your morning routine could offer natural support, without adding medication. Next up, gut health. Fenugreek seeds act as both a mild laxative and a prebiotic, meaning they help move things along while also feeding the good bacteria in your gut. The mucilage, which is that gel-like fiber they form when soaked, helps coat the stomach lining. This can ease acid reflux, bloating, and heartburn. Some people even drink fenugreek tea before meals to help reduce gas and improve digestion, especially if they've eaten something heavy. And for older adults, this can be a game changer, especially when digestion slows naturally with age. Ladies, listen up, this one's for you. Fenugreek contains compounds that mimic estrogen, making it a natural option for women struggling with menopause symptoms, low libido, irregular periods, and breast milk production. In fact, one of fenugreek's most common uses today is to support lactation in breastfeeding mothers. But even beyond that, its hormone balancing effect may help reduce hot flashes, fatigue, and mood swings in perimenopausal and postmenopausal women. Of course, it's important to talk to your doctor first, especially if you have hormone-sensitive conditions. Trying to lose weight or manage your cravings? Fenugreek's high-fiber content helps you feel full longer. When soaked or ground, it swells in your stomach and creates a feeling of satiety. One small study even showed that participants who consumed fenugreek seed extract experienced lower hunger levels and reduced fat intake compared to those who didn't. So, that makes fenugreek an excellent natural tool for healthy weight management, especially when it's used alongside a balanced diet. Fenugreek is also rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, which may help ease joint pain, arthritis symptoms, and general inflammation. So, some traditional remedies actually involve applying a fenugreek paste directly to swollen joints, while others suggest sipping the tea or eating soaked seeds on a regular basis. The anti-inflammatory effect is, subtle but cumulative. If you're over 50 and dealing with joint stiffness, this little seed might just be one of the easiest things you can add to your routine. Fenugreek has also been linked to improved cholesterol levels, especially a reduction in LDL, which is the so-called bad cholesterol, and triglycerides. Its high fiber content, combined with natural antioxidants, helps support better circulation, lower blood pressure, and a healthier heart rhythm. While it's not a substitute for medication or a healthy lifestyle, fenugreek might offer gentle, consistent support over time, particularly for people over 60. You've probably seen fenugreek pop up in natural beauty products too, and for good reason. The combination of vitamin C, iron, and lecithin in fenugreek helps strengthen hair follicles, fight dandruff, and reduce hair thinning. It's fascinating how many people use fenugreek water or paste as a scalp treatment or even as a hair rinse. For the skin, fenugreek's antioxidant properties can help calm irritation, reduce acne, and improve overall tone and glow. This is especially true when it's used as a mild scrub or mask. It's quite remarkable, isn't it? So yes, it works from the inside out and the outside in. It's amazing how versatile fenugreek can be. There are many ways to consume fenugreek, but here are the safest and most popular soaked seeds. Soak 1 teaspoon of seeds in warm water overnight, then drink the water and chew the seeds in the morning on an empty stomach. Fenugreek tea. Boil 1 teaspoon of seeds in 1.5 cups of water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and drink, optionally adding lemon or honey for taste. Fenugreek powder. Add a small pinch to smoothies, soups, or yogurt. It's quite strong, so go slow with it. For topical use, mix the powder with coconut oil or yogurt, and apply to your scalp or skin for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Here's an important tip: start small. Fenugreek is potent, and too much can cause bloating or loose stools in sensitive people. 1 teaspoon per day is plenty to begin with. So, while fenugreek is generally safe for most people, there are, a few groups who should be a bit cautious. Pregnant women, for instance, since it may stimulate uterine contractions. People on diabetes medication should also take care because fenugreek might lower blood sugar a little too much. If you're allergic to legumes or peanuts, you'll want to avoid fenugreek since it's part of the same plant family. And folks with low blood pressure should know it can have a mild lowering effect as well. As always, if you're on medication or have any medical condition, it's a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider before making fenugreek a daily habit. Here are some fun facts about fenugreek you might not know. It actually smells a lot like maple syrup. And that's because of a compound called sotalol. In the United States, fenugreek is sometimes used to flavor artificial syrup products, which is pretty interesting. Over in India, it's called methi, and it's used in everything from curries to parathas. And get this, fenugreek is one of the oldest recorded medicinal plants, even mentioned in ancient Egyptian papyrus scrolls. Pretty cool, right? So, are fenugreek seeds really worth all the hype? Well, let's take a closer look. Absolutely, as long as you use them wisely. They're tiny, yes, but they punch far above their weight, from balancing hormones and blood sugar to aiding digestion, reducing inflammation, and even supporting your skin and hair. Fenugreek seeds offer a truly impressive range of benefits. And the best part? They're affordable, widely available, and simple to use. If you're over 50 and looking for natural ways to feel stronger, lighter, and healthier, this could be the tiny seed that makes a huge difference. Have you ever tried fenugreek seeds? What benefits did you notice? Drop your story in the comments. We love hearing real experiences. And if you found this helpful, give the video a like, share it with a friend, and hit subscribe for more simple health wisdom you can use every day. Thanks for watching. And here's to small seeds with big power.